Oy, balik. Balik na dito. Dito na yung sugot. Ako yun na nga. Bilhin ko kayo din. Nakalimot ko. Ay, bilhin na ba? Yan, sugot.
Early in the morning, before 7. So, here's the sun rising over there to my left. And I believe they're planning in going to that floating cottage to go out fishing. And look how the water is so clear, guys. See? Dito. This is where I was swimming last night for 3 hours. It was totally fun. The water is a lot higher. Higher. Yeah. And it's deep. That water is deep. It looks shallow, but it's not.